$6,000, our latest commercial rice milling machine in 2023. Upgraded with the function of removing stones and impurities from the paddy, it adds a function elevator that efficiently transfers the material into the hopper, making the process more effortless and convenient, freeing your hand totally. Equipped with 2 highly efficient rice mill outlets, the 6N1000 boasts an impressive production capacity of 500 to 600 kilograms per hour. The rice produced by this machine has a lower temperature, effectively preserving the nutritional content of the grains. Moreover, the 6N1000 comes with a powerful cyclone system that significantly enhances the efficiency of bran extraction, ensuring the rice grains are cleaner and free from impurities. Its 8 universal wheels further facilitate easy movement during transportation. The 6N1000 is a cutting-edge rice milling machine that not only excels in productivity but also takes care of grain quality and nutrition. With its upgraded features and user-friendly design, it proves to be an indispensable asset for commercial rice machines in 2023.